Hi, this is Darlene Griffiths, and this is my summary and numbers for Harrington High School for AEP 858. So let's start with the goals checklist for Harrington High School. One of our goals is our social emotional curriculum, and I wanted to talk to my staff about whether we're on target or whether we're in progress. And we are on target for self-regulation. We implemented that in the fall of 2017. We are currently in the process of continuing with the College and Career Competencies Framework, and we will continue using that the rest of this year and moving forward for our social emotional curriculum. Our second goal is individual plans of study, and we have that in place for every student using career cruising. We are going to have the students present their career cruising portfolios to their parents next week at parent-teacher conferences. This will be the first time that we are doing that, and we shall see how it goes. Our third goal is graduation. Of course, we want 100% of our students to graduate. In 2017, we were at 93%, so we are getting closer and closer to that goal, but every year it is a new goal to be achieved. Civic engagement, we require 40 hours of community service by their senior year. That is 10 hours per year that they are a student at Harrington High School. So if a junior moves in, they would be required to have 20 hours of community service to graduate from Harrington High School. Then another goal is our post-secondary success. We want our kids to go on and be successful in post-secondary education. According to Kansas, 71% of the jobs in Kansas will require some kind of post-secondary education. And in 2015, we were at only 64% of our student body being successful after high school. So the highlights for 2017, we've got 100% of our teachers who have taught the 8 lessons associated with the social emotional curriculum of self-regulation. We will continue with the intrapersonal skills. MTSS, we are in the progress part of that. We are training and getting ready to implement that for next year for reading and mathematics. We have fully implemented our behavior matrix. We offer Railer bucks to students who are doing what they need to do throughout the school. Any adult can reward a child for doing what's right with a Railer buck, and then they get to spend those. And then we just finished up our course schedule for next year, which will include time for MTSS. So let's talk about Harrington High School's post-secondary success. I went on the National Clearinghouse site to find some information about our success, and it started with the class of 2010, and every year from 2010 to 2015 we had 60% or more of our student body enroll in post-secondary education, whether that was college or a 2-year program or a VOTEC. And we've averaged about 30% who have graduated for those that have been there long enough to graduate. For some reason, the class of 2012 there was absolutely no data for, so I'm not sure what happened with that year's data. Like the class of 2013, 71% enrolled in college, only 19% have graduated 2 years later because most of them are still in college, still enrolled, and still trying to finish their program. The reason that we have had such success with college enrollment is our teacher quality. We have 100% of our teachers fully licensed, and 97% of our courses in our core content are taught by highly qualified teachers. Some demographic information about Harrington. We are at 49% economically disadvantaged, which is just a little bit higher than the state at 48%. We have a lot of our students on free and reduced lunches, and they do require extra attention, and we have to be able to provide for those needs. We also have a large percentage of our students with disabilities. We have over 20% in our building, whereas the state reports only 14%. We try to incorporate those students with disabilities in the regular education classroom as much as possible to help them with their success. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the information about Harrington High School, and I look forward to your comments. Thank you.